People seem to call SUI the next Solana. Well, today kind of almost proved that. So let's talk about SUI's downtime today in this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X wherever you're watching, and let's get into our video here. All right, so SUI has survived a 2-hour outage without dropping below the $3 mark. I think this is a testament to how bullish that the community is on this token because, or this coin, because we've seen Solana go through these issues and drop drastically in price, although usually it rebounds fairly shortly after. But this outage had led to a slight dip in SUI's price, falling from $3.73 only to $3.64. It's actually pretty decent. The price did stabilize after the project announced that the network was fully restored and operational. So it came back online, and the altcoin is still in a good position. It said it suffered a DDoS attack. So basically, what that is it attack that overwhelms the system with excessive traffic or requests, and it causes it to become unavailable to legitimate users by crashing or severely slowing its functionality. So you can experience really slow moving network, or it outright crashes altogether because it doesn't know what to do. It overwhelms the network. So several exchanges did halt SUI transactions as the price also dipped a little bit there. However, nearly just 2 hours later, the project updated its community saying that validators have assisted in resolving the issue. So it's very important that they are able to kind of solve this problem very quickly, and I commend them for that as well. So we can see here, this is the SUI Sharp ratio, and this source is from Masari, and it's showing that even though it dipped, it's still positive for SUI. It indicates that accumulating the altcoin around its current value could still yield some positive returns there. On the daily chart, SUI is trading within an ascending channel. So that means you can see these lines here basically going up together. It is kind of staying within this window, so to speak. So that indicates an ongoing uptrend. It is a bullish pattern. Higher swing highs and higher swing lows is what it shows. The CMF has also increased, suggesting that buying pressure has outpaced the distribution. So this is really good. This thing has just continued to move up. I actually tried to catch it at a low point, didn't hit my target. So that and one of those things, it's one of those things you can't always catch, the top or the bottom. Sometimes you just have to get in and, hope for the best and kind of, weigh your options, right? If you're okay, if you think that's going to go up from here, maybe don't try to time the exact, top or bottom kind of thing when you're trading. That always, not always, but sometimes it comes back to bite you in the ass. And like I missed out on I believe it was like a buck 70, 80 range, I think it was. It came down to about a buck 80. And I was going to jump in at about, buck late 60, like buck 70 some, but I just missed that goal. So I kind of almost should have just kind of took the trade anyways. However, I don't like to FOMO, so I didn't jump into anything drastic. So we're going to go over, take a look at coin market cap here. We can see still up in the day, up 4.93, almost 5% in the last 7 days. And today is about 3.5%. So you can see the market cap where it is sitting, about 10 billion, volume coming in at 1.8, and fully diluted sitting at 35 billion. So things are moving pretty good for SUI. We'll take a look at this chart. So yeah, this is where it dipped down into the dollar. It did hit the $1.64, but I came in a little bit later, probably around here, like the 1st of November-ish, and I just did not catch that price action. So, a little bummed by that, but it is what it is. We can see the overall in the last year, 578% up. So SUI is really, positioning itself as one of the top crypto projects, and it's one that's really catching a lot of people's attention. And I'm going to continue to keep eyes on it. If we get a significant pullback, I might enter a position, but I'm not going to FOMO here when things are drastically up. So, but thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Let me know down below, are you holding SUI, or what are you expecting for returns here? What do you think the cycle top is going to be for SUI? Thanks so much for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Peace.